Hi, it's me again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to share some legit ways on how you can earn money while at home. So I noticed that most people realize when the pandemic started that there's actually a lot of opportunities that you can do to earn money while you're staying at home. It's either you start your online business or get hired virtually. If you're a student or a full-time mom and you're looking for an online opportunity, just keep on watching. Most people love the idea of some online opportunity but are afraid to try and explore something new. It's either they were afraid of rejection, failure, or they just think that they don't have the qualification. But these ideas may give you some change of heart, and if you do, don't afraid to try it out. One of the most trending ways here in the Philippines to earn money is first to sell used items. You can either start to sell used bags, shoes, or clothes. There's a lot of online platforms where you can start to sell your products. You can also market your products online with the use of social media. You can post it on Facebook, Instagram, and nowadays, some people use TikToks to market their products online. Live selling is one of the most trendy ways when it comes with online businesses and when it comes with marketing or getting some audience for your products. And the most famous online platform that you can use is Shopee and TikTok. The profit with selling used items can come very quickly because it is computed on a per sale basis. Also, thrift shopping has been a popular option for many Filipinos when it comes with getting inexpensive and fashionable clothing. Personally, I prefer thrift shopping because I got to find some unique clothes that I couldn't find with mall racks. And it's a plus that I can find a really nice brand with a nice quality on a very low price. Getting back with the idea, there's a big market in the industry of selling used items. And for starter, of course, with the hard work and good strategy, you can earn twice the price of your invested money. Next, sell handicrafts. If you're a talented human being with a passion of creating arts or crafts, this one is the best for you. Another way to earn is to teach students online. It is the most popular because a lot of people can see the potential on this job. There's a lot of companies here in the Philippines who actually accept applicants who doesn't have any bachelor degree or any experience when it comes with teaching, as long as you will speak well in English because the students that you will teach are mostly from other countries. And of course, before you start to apply with online teaching jobs, is you need to have a necessary equipment. Some of the companies gives the materials for the lessons, but they will not give you the equipment. And since this is an online job and you will communicate with your students online, it is important to have a fast connection, a camera, and a headset with the external microphone. There's actually a lot of headset with external microphone that you can find online. You can find it on Facebook or in Shopee. Affiliate marketing is also one of the side hustles that you can do even though you're studying or you're a full-time mom because this will not cost you any money. Just to give you a quick background, affiliate marketing is where you sell somebody products online for a commission. So in short, you will promote or sell the products through your affiliate link, and every time someone purchases the product using your link, you will get a commission. A website is not really necessarily needed on this. You only need traffic or audience, and it can be on your YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Just make sure that you paste your affiliate link on your post for verifying the sales made from your post or on your videos. Next, you can start a drop shipping business. With dropshipping, you never have to handle products or invest in inventory. Just to give you a basic idea on how does the dropshipping works. You own a dropshipping store, and when a customer purchases or order a product on your dropshipping store, you will send it to your third-party supplier and your supplier will ship directly the product to your customer. The customer will pay you the retail price you set on your online store. You will pay your supplier's wholesale price and the rest is profit. Question: do I need to pay the product from my suppliers first? The answer is it will depend on the agreement that you and your third-party suppliers will have. It's either you will pay it upon order or you will pay it when the product got delivered. Just to give you an idea, AliExpress is one of the suppliers that offers dropshipping. And Shopify is one of the known websites where you can start your dropshipping online store. Number 6, start a freelancing career. Having a physical product is not the only thing that you can sell online. If you have skills like photography, videography, video editing, photo editing, or graphic designing, why not start offering it online? It doesn't mean that if you offer a skill, you will be committed in a particular company or in a particular employer. Being a freelancer is a self-employed and you will work independently. You will actually have a freedom with choosing your working schedule, but of course, you and your client will need to have the agreement with the timeline of the project. And there's a lot of Facebook group and online job platforms that actually has a client who looks for a freelancer who will make their life easier. And having a strong online portfolio will help you too in finding your clients faster. Actually, being an affiliate marketer is also one of the skills that you can have on freelancing world. Last but not least is you can be a virtual assistant. Well, virtual assistant is also one of the skills in a freelancing industry, but what I noticed and based on my research, most of the virtual assistants are committed or employed with a certain company or with a certain agency. Of course, if you wanted to become a virtual assistant, you need to find your niche first. There are types of virtual assistant, including social media virtual assistant, real estate virtual assistant, virtual research assistant, virtual administrative assistant, e-commerce virtual assistant, data entry virtual assistant, virtual bookkeeping assistant, and virtual marketing assistant. That's why it is important to find your niche first so you can focus on studying and learning the skills that you need to have. There's also a lot of courses out there that can help you on having a knowledge on a certain skills. So don't be afraid to explore. Of course, like all other jobs, it's hard work, especially at the beginning. But don't give up. Don't be afraid to do some research and don't be shy if you need some clarification with something. If you find your niche, learn the skills one at a time. Don't pressure yourself. There are some who offers free online courses or you can actually find help with some of the videos here in YouTube. Success comes to those who works for it. All of us have our own goals and own dreams. Just don't be afraid to invest time and money for yourself. And don't be afraid to fail or get rejected because that's how we will learn and that's how we will improve. So yeah, I hope this video gives you idea that there's actually a lot of opportunities that you can do to earn money while staying at home. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And I will also really appreciate it if you will leave your thoughts on this video in the comment box down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below to notify you for my upcoming videos like this one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye!